video today, I'm recording for you the beginners level 1 salsa solo footwork. So this has been taught either in class, in the studio, or online in the absolute beginners 4-week online course, and it's what we term as the beginners level 1. So I'm going to turn around, make a start, face the front. I'm not spending a huge amount of time breaking everything down because this is something that people have already been taught, but this is just a little memory guide so it can refresh the steps and that you have a record of it. So the first one we did was the salsa timing, and we marched on the spot. So we did 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. The second one we did a little tap step. So I'm going to use my left foot on 1, and I'm going to start with a little tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next step was the back basic, just going behind. Starting again with the left foot, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Then we did the side basic, again starting with the left foot. We're going side, together, side, together, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. We then did a little back step with a small change of direction to look at the corners, called a cumbia, from a particular style of salsa that is called cumbia, or a cross behind or diagonal opening. So left foot, and I'm looking a little bit to the left corner, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Okay, then the next step we did a double push or a double side step, traveling left and right. So I went to the left, side, close, side, tap. To the right, side, close, side, tap. We did put some arms in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we did our basic or our mambo, which is the absolute core staple step of our salsa. We're going forwards on the left, back on the right. Remember all these footwork patterns we're dancing on the leader's timing, which is the left foot lead, as we do for the part, not for the partner work for the ladies. Ladies' partner work is different. Okay, so all in the footwork, on 1 on the left foot. Now, we're going forwards on left, right, left, and back, and replace. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm moving sideways so you can see now my feet are going past each other. They're not just staying in the center, they're going 1, 2, 3, slightly behind the other one. 5, 6, 7, slightly in front. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And then we did a right turn. So looking at the numbers first and the timing and the feet, left, right, left. Okay, so let us look just at the feet. We're going left to the front, pivot 180, put the weight down on the right foot whilst facing the back, pivot another 180, put the weight on the left foot. That's happening on 1, 2, 3. Then I finish my basic, 5, 6, 7. And again, on 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Only a short video, that's just a little recap of all the steps that we learnt in the Beginner's Salsa solo online course level 1. Okay, so it was the first course that we did for absolute beginners. Okay, and in the next video I will move on and do level 2 and so on. So if you're accessing this through our website on our playlist, work your way through. Any questions, queries or problems, just let me know. But like I say, this is more of a short recap so that you don't forget what the steps are.